let's review symbiote bases and how to plan them. Expand the bases tree of the catalog. Here you will see various product lines. The simple table is a light-duty electric height-adjustable table. It is one part number because the base telescopes to different widths. You can select width option for visual purposes. Be sure to select your finish. It is glides only. Next is Ergostat, one of Symbiote's strongest products. There are electric and positionable versions, both with different height travel ranges. There are also glides and caster options. Be sure to select the desired combination of these features from the product catalog tree before placing the graphic in model space. Once placed, you can select the type of switch, if electric, and the paint finish. The inner leg and stretcher bar are always black as standard. The uniqueness of Ergostat is its riser frame, found in base attachments. Riser frames attach to the Ergostat base and move with the table when adjusting. Specify the same width for riser frame and base. The riser frame requires end covers. Spines are available for the riser frames if smaller components are desired. For example, a 60-inch wide riser frame with a spine can accommodate two 30-inch shelves side by side at different heights. Lower shelves and footrests are also available. Here you can see a different version of Ergostat with casters. There is an order of placing product in model space for the snapping function to work. Base, frame, then end covers. Next is our table base. This is similar to Ergostat, except the table base does not support a riser frame. Also, the foot is slightly different than the Ergostat. When designing, it may be helpful to ask if a riser frame may be required in the future to help determine which base to use. Like other bases, the table base is available in electric and manual versions, both with different height travel ranges. There are also glides and caster options. Unlike Ergostat, there is a 24-inch depth option. Let's look at the work tables. This product line is intended for users on both sides of the surface, hence the centered leg on the foot. 24-inch depth is not available. Like other bases mentioned, there are electric, manual, glides, and casters. When hovering over the icons for work tables, you will see the description for the intended work surface sizes. Be sure to consider the work surface edge type here, as it will likely be accessible from all sides versus against a wall or another item. You can see as you expand into the catalog tree the different intended work surface sizes. The base itself is undersized to accommodate the surface. Lower shelves are also available for the work table. Lower shelves can be found under base attachments. Lastly, let's review the four-legged table. These are manually height adjustable and provide a different unique way to have a riser frame. They're available in multiple depths and widths, and in glides or casters. You can see that this base supports the surface on all four sides with a 2-inch steel tube frame. Due to this frame, you will find that attaching any component to this base will require a four-legged table version or four-legged table mounting brackets. The riser frame for use with the four-legged table is different than the riser frame used with the ergostat. It is the Pro version, which means it is a straight slot design and requires Pro components be mounted to it. It is shorter than the non-Pro riser frame. You can see that where this Pro riser frame attaches is unique to accommodate that 2-inch tube frame of the table. If for some reason your customer wants to order electric height adjustable switches separately, you can find them here. Please refer to the product catalog for a detailed description.